Welcome to the tie knot video series. In this video, we're going to cover the half Windsor knot. The half Windsor knot is a symmetrical and triangular tie knot that you can use with any dress shirt. It works best with somewhat wider ties made from light to medium fabrics. Let's go through this knot step by step. Start with the wide end of your tie on the right, extending about 12 inches below the narrow end on the left. Then cross the wide end over the narrow end. Bring the wide end around and behind the narrow end. Then bring the wide end up. Pull the wide end through the loop and to the right. And bring the wide end around front over the narrow end from right to left. Again, bring the wide end up and through the loop. Then, bring the wide end down through the knot in front. And, using both hands, tighten the knot carefully and draw it up to the collar. Let's go through the half Windsor knot once more. Start with the wide end over your tie on the right, extending about 12 inches below the narrow end on the left. Then, cross the wide end over the narrow end. Then, bring the wide end around and behind the narrow end. Next, bring the wide end up and pull it down through the loop and to the right. Next, bring the wide end over around front, over the narrow end from right to left. And while doing that, make sure that your hands forming a little bridge. Again, pull the wide end up through the loop and bring the wide end down through the front knot. Next, using both hands, adjust the knot, tighten it carefully, and draw it up to the collar. Last, flip down the shirt collar, adjust the knot one more time, and there you have the half Windsor knot.